In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use World Slash in Jujutsu Shenanigans on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to perform the World Cutting Slash if you are playing Jujutsu Shenanigans with an Xbox controller. This is also going to work for PlayStation 4, so keep that in mind. So what you have to do is first, while you are playing as the Vessel, the King of Curses, make sure that you fill out your awakening bar and you go into your awakened form. So once you are awakened, what you have to do is press L1 into R2 into L2 into the left D-pad, and you should see this animation, Scale of the Dragon, Recoil, Twin Meteors. Now, I know I talked fast there, so I'm gonna slow it down. You have to press L1 and then press R2 into L2 into the left D-pad, and this is also called the left bumper into the right trigger, into the left trigger, into left D-pad. I'm gonna leave the instructions on screen so you can follow along, and you have to do it in quick succession. You cannot take too long between these attacks or these button presses. So if you are able to press left bumper into right trigger into left D-pad while on your awakened form, you will see Scale of the Dragon, Recoil, Twin Meteors. So it takes a while, and I recommend that you join a private server to practice. And of course, I have cooldowns turned off, but if you had cooldowns enabled, you would have to wait until all of the moves are available. So once again, you have to press left bumper into right trigger into left D-pad. Or rather, you have to do Dismantle into rush, into open, and then press your special, which is left on the D-pad. As long as you are able to do this combination of attacks in quick succession, you will see it go off. This time I took too long, so it didn't go off, but if you are able to get the timing, you will be able to use it. So the more people it hits, the more damage it's going to do. So it is wonderful when there's a lot of people together in a group, you will be able to throw out a Twin Meteors or World Cutting Slash and hit all of them. I hope I was able to help you on how to use World Slash in Jujutsu Shenanigans Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.